Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 90 Honda Civic EF, and so I bought this for MRP. And okay, so I don't remember from where I bought, to be honest. See, a lot of people are asking me, from where I'm buying this, where I'm buying this, and give me some source and all these things. See, back then I used to give source. You can still see those sources in the comments of some of my even recent videos. But after I given those comments, a lot of scalpers, went to those shops and they just looted everything. So those shops stopped supporting me now. So I don't have any source to go and do a peg hunt and everything. So that's the reason, I'm not able to say any sources nowadays, and I'm not ready to tell any sources moving forward because of this issue. Because I'm not even able to buy anything for myself, or I'm not even able to help out anyone in that group. So all these castings which I bought recently, which I showcased recently throughout uh, you know PQ and even the A case, everything was bought to me by my group mates. They like some guys bought me like five, and other guy bought me like six or seven. So like this only I was getting. So I didn't buy anywhere, and I don't buy Hotwheels online because it is not really worth that much. So if you are asking about Tamika and other brands, I do buy from Facebook sellers. I just sit and browse through everything, and I'll just see whoever got a lot of comments, and there the sale post will be like sold and everything, this kind of comments, right? So what I will do is I'll just go through everything. If those guys having good reviews, then I'll just buy from them. That's it. That's how I'm doing. So you need to sit and spend some time on Facebook so that you will be able to get some sellers names, because I randomly pick sellers actually. So whenever they're posting some sale post, I am following a lot of groups. I don't even remember apart from Madhouse. There are a lot of like Hot Wheels India, diecast collectors, a lot of groups are there. Follow every group. If they're allowing you to follow, just follow every group, and whenever they're doing a sale post, just go ahead and put it sold if the price is right for you. That's all I can say. Okay, let's talk about this casting now. So overall, the casting looks really solid, but the paint job, as you can see, it has some, I don't know, maybe paint bubbling, I guess. The livery looks really nice. It does have headlight details, which is really good. It has rear view mirrors as well. It does have interior detail to it, which is really nice. As usual, like three side details. There is no tail light details here. It has exhaust detail here, but that's it. I know there is not much of a chassis detail. So you can just see some details on the front axle and some on the rear axle. That's it, but nothing much. So the rims are really basic. Maybe they should have went with a different set of rims. So the body is fully metal, including the piece here, the spoiler here. So the chassis is fully plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, it's 32 grams. Fine. So since the weight is a little bit on the good side, let's see how it rolls. Okay, it doesn't roll really that well, but still reaches. Okay, let's see 3 out of 3. Okay, the front wheel wobbles a lot actually compared to the rear wheel, but it rolls okay. It is not really that good. You can see that, you can feel that it is really hard when it's rolling. It is not smooth or anything. Logo placement is also nice on the front side. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.